Whoa! In my opinion, there's no better review than a mom who's bought something more than once. So Charlotte and I are going to share 5 things that we bought, loved, and ended up buying more of. Everything was either $45 or under, and in fact, most things were under $20, which is great. So the first thing I'm going to share are our Milk Snob car seat covers. Do you recognize these, Charlotte? This was something that when I finally bought the second one, my husband and I were like, why did we not buy a second one sooner? Technically, these are car seat covers, but we use them on Charlotte's stroller. She has the Appa Baby Cruise, and we use it to keep the sun out of her eyes, to keep the wind out of her face. It keeps some of the chill out when it's cold, or you can put it over like this, so when you're nursing baby, if you need to whip out a boob, you have sort of a modesty screen as well. I don't use it because I live in Brooklyn and people are pretty accepting of nursing, and I also have another trick that I do when I nurse in public, which we will get to in just a minute. So yeah, these are the 2 Milk Snob covers. We have them in stripe and in buffalo check, and these were $36 each. I think it was worth every penny. We use these every single day. You ready for the next one? Hi, Mommy. Next are the EO hand sanitizers. I saw that they were selling the tiny 2-ounce bottles in a 6-pack, and we're down to our last 2 bottles, so it lasted a long time. These are really convenient because they're small. We have multiple so that we can keep one in the stroller, one in the diaper bag, one in mom's purse, one in the car. I know some people don't like to use hand sanitizer with babies, but for me, it's a great way to keep my hands clean in New York City, and since this one is organic and a little bit more gentle, I feel better about it. Plus, it smells really good and it's cute, so it checks all of the boxes for me. We have used this since Charlotte was born, so we often joke that she's gonna grow up and smell lavender and be like, something about that reminds me of my childhood. Next is the Oxidative Baby Block. This is something that I bought on a whim. I wasn't sure how I was gonna store the baby food I was making for Charlotte, so I got these and I am obsessed. I keep 1 6-pack in the fridge for food that she's gonna have that day or the next day. I try not to keep fresh baby food more than 2 or 3 days maximum, but I also keep another 6-pack in the freezer, so I always have something on hand. We're doing a mixture of baby-led weaning and purees. I feel like I should do a video about that at some point. So she has a puree pretty much with every meal, and so I go through these pretty quickly, and this is the perfect portion. And I ended up going and getting the 4-ounce containers as well, just because I love these so much. They're dishwasher safe, they're freezer safe, they seal really nicely and they don't leak, so I can put these in the diaper bag without worrying. We got multiples of these 6-packs. They stack vertically in the fridge, which is great for small space. Next is something that I use every single day. These are the Ho Fish nursing tank tops. It's not the best name, but they are the best tanks. I wear a nursing tank top every day instead of a nursing bra, and I'll tell you why. I never really found a nursing bra that I loved, and I was feeling a little self-conscious nursing Charlotte out and about in the city until I started wearing a nursing tank every day because, for example, I'm wearing one right now. I can wear any shirt and lift it up to give her access to the boobs. They just fold down here. It's a little clip on the shoulder. I feel not too exposed. I feel more confident, and this really, really was a turning point for me in terms of being more comfortable nursing in public. So I bought this 3-pack when I was pregnant, and I've bought another 3-pack since then. I think they're going through a change right now. They have like an old model and a new model, so the pricing is a little bit different. Whether you do the Ho Fish brand or another brand, I cannot recommend highly enough getting at least, I'm gonna say 5 or 7 nursing tank tops. That way you always have one that's clean. I literally cannot go a day without wearing them. They go underneath every piece of clothing that I wear, and it has made a world's difference in terms of me being a confident mom nursing in public, which is obviously super important. And finally, we have our Ubi diaper wipe dispenser. When we had one, I was moving it from Charlotte's nursery to the bathroom at night when I was doing her bedtime routine and thought, this is silly, we should just get 2 of these. I love it for a few reasons. The first is that it's very clean and minimal, so it's cute in Charlotte's nursery. I don't mind how it looks. Second is that it has this weighted lid that sits right on top, if you can see the wipes, so that when you pull up, there's no effort involved. It seals nicely so the wipes stay fresh for a long time. It might seem silly to say that you love a diaper wipe container, but I do love these. These are the 5 things that we have multiples of right now. I highly recommend that if you are expecting or if you know someone that's gonna have a baby, try these. They're definitely gonna come in handy. And please let me know in the comments what you have bought multiples of. We would love to know, especially if you have things for older babies, toddlers, all of that stuff that we're gonna get into soon. And we will see you all next week. Bye!